Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you very much. In today's video I want to show you guys how to make coconut cake. In today's video I want to show you guys how to make coconut cake. So let me show you guys my ingredients. Here is my coconut. I have 3 large eggs here, and this is my coconut candy, vanilla flavor. This is my butter, sugar, baking powder, and this is all-purpose flour. So let's get started. So first I will blend my coconut. So I will add a little water and blend the coconut. So guys, I'm done blending the coconut. Now I will filter it. I filter it because we need the coconut milk. So this is the coconut milk. I'll set it aside and then cover it. So guys, this is my butter, and this is the bowl I'll use to do my mixing. Sugar, And then I will mix my butter and sugar together. I'll mix it until it is fluffy. So I'm breaking the egg. So I'll mix it. And then I will add it and continue mixing. This is vanilla flavor. Okay, so now I will add my dried ingredients. This is all-purpose flour, and then I will add the coconut milk, just a little, and then mix it. I'll keep adding the flour until I get the consistency that I want. I'll add the coconut water again. Coconut milk rather. And mix it. Okay, this is baking powder. I'll add my baking powder. You can use 2 tablespoons. Okay, this is my baking pan. So now I will grease my pan with butter. like this so that it will not burn. And then I will dust the pan with flour. I will remove the excess flour. Now I will transfer my butter here. Okay, so this is the coconut candy. I'll add it. Lift it up, you're too close. Where is the pot? Okay, this is my pot. I will add salt so that the pot will not get burnt. I'll cover the bottom with salt. And then I will place stones that the pan will sit on. Okay, then I will cover it and then let's take it to fire. So I will heat it for 45 minutes. Okay, so guys, let's check our cake. Wow, who told you it's ready? Okay, so guys, let's check the cake. Let's check it. You see, nothing stained the knife. That means the cake is ready. You see, so now I will put it down. Our cake is ready. So I will turn it. Wow. Wow. Coconut cake is ready. So guys, can you see? Our coconut cake is ready. Beautiful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.